There's another barrier to understanding that goes along with this, and that is something that I found called Pan-Liturgism. What is Pan-Liturgism, you say? Well, it's a word that was coined in 1959, and it refers to the error of finding liturgy in the New Testament, even though it isn't really there. And there are some scholars that began to realize this in 1959. Back in the 1950s, there was a major emphasis on finding liturgy in the New Testament. References to these rote, repetitive, recited things that they assumed was going on in the first century, but it turns out they're not there. This is just an assumption. This is anachronism, really. We're assuming that this liturgy that we do today was actually there in the first century, and it isn't there, even according to Paul Bradshaw, who is a top-flight liturgical scholar on this issue.